What's up, everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove a follower on TikTok. Maybe some of your TikTok followers aren't engaging with your content. Maybe they are clearly a bot. No matter the reason, TikTok makes cleaning up your list of followers a relatively easy process. Now let's walk through the steps to remove a follower on TikTok. Step 1. Launch the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your TikTok home screen. Step 2. Tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. You'll be routed to your TikTok account menu. Step 3. Find your count of TikTok followers located directly beneath your username and then tap that number. A list of your TikTok followers is displayed. Step 4. Find the specific TikTok follower you want to remove and then tap the ellipses shown next to that follower. A menu is shown at the bottom of the screen where you'll see the option to remove this follower. Step 5. Tap Remove this follower. A Remove this follower window pops up, letting you know that this person will no longer follow you and won't be notified that you've removed them. Step 6. Tap Remove. That TikTok follower will immediately be removed from your list of TikTok followers. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.